Hey everybody, it's Mark with G's Bees, and it is December 2nd, 2022. And I came out, it's unseasonably warm. I came out here just to check on the girls. And, typically this time of year, they're going to take the bees that have died and take them out of the hive. As you can see, this girl's doing right here. So they're really trying to keep everything hygienic and move the bees that have died out of the hive. And there's some there, but you really can see down here on the ground there's just hundreds and hundreds of bees right here, but this is just a natural course. So they have a warm day and they are taking care of their hive. So as you can see, there's more coming out. So small entrance reducer this time of the year for cold, but unseasonably warm. But this is what goes on to bees in December.